Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Far Away. In this video I'm going to talk a little bit as to what happened to me and what's coming up for the Far Away channel. Hey guys, welcome back. I want to first of all thank everybody that sent their wishes, their prayers, and their get well soon. I did end up in the hospital for about 3 days, which was not fun. So, but I'm good now. I'm doing really good. I thank the Lord for keeping me up, and let's just keep on working. I was gonna finish this car. I am falling behind uh, on all the little projects that I have, but I am gonna continue on the car, hit it hard, make sure that everything is going to plan. Like I said, I am falling behind. So for now, let me show you a little bit about the car and where it's at right now and what we're gonna be doing. It's real close so that I can start painting the body of it. I still need to block it, but that's the simple thing. So let me show you. The car is assembled already. The hardest part is the alignment. I need to have this aligned perfectly before re-disassembling it and blocking it, primering it, and doing all that. So that's where I'm at right now. That's where I stayed before I went into the hospital. So everything looks good. Once I get all of that aligned and the way it's supposed to be, I'm gonna start disassembling everything. I'm gonna paint all this back area, the top cell area. Everything's gonna get painted right after the blocking, which I am gonna show you how I'm gonna block it for the final time and paint it. All of this gonna get painted also. So that's where I'm at right now, guys. Again, I really appreciate every single one of you that commented as to for me to get well, send their prayers. Believe me, I really appreciate it, guys. It did help me. My throat's a little bit sore as of right now for that darn tube that they had inside my throat, but all in all, I'm doing real good. And that's it, guys. I'm also working on my little lowrider pickup truck. I already sprayed the hood. I bought a brand new hood, and I did spray it with epoxy primer and primer. So guys, thank you for sticking with me, for staying with my channel. These things happen, and all we gotta do is just work through it. That's basically it. Just work with it and just continue. All right, guys, thank you very much. I didn't think I was gonna be able to make a video this weekend, but I wanted to come on and just say thank you. All right, guys, take care of yourselves. From one day to the other, you can end up in the hospital like I did. But all right, thank you. I'll see you in a couple of days, probably on Monday or Tuesday. I'll post a video of where I'm at right now on the car, and if everything's aligned and everything ready to go, I'll start disassembling. All right, thank you very much, guys. Like always, stay safe and God bless.